Hello everyone, how to make another aeroplane. Watch till the end. It is very simple. If you also want to make another aeroplane at home, school or anywhere, tell me in the comments. Watch the video till the end. It is very simple to make. Do as shown in this video and watch the video till the end. Let me know how you liked this video by commenting. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe. May God bless and protect you. Look how the aeroplane is flying in the air. Tell me how you felt about the aeroplane in the comments. If you liked it, give it a like and tell me where you are watching this video from. God bless you and protect you.